National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Douglas County, northwestern Taney County, southeastern Christian County, central Stone County, southeastern Berry County, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles east of Cassville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicator. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Shell Nub, Branson West, Cape Fair, Reed Spring, Emerald Beach, Chamberlain City, McCord Bend, Garrison, Galena, Good Hope, Walnut Shade, Elsie, Arrow Point, Silver Dollar City, Table Rock Lake, and Indian Point. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until